Hi Bookies, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be installing this 613 wig from Shein. Can you believe it? Shein. So if you want to see how I accomplish this install, keep on watching.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just so much. I wanna shut it up, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw baby feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that got me slipping. It's this one thing I want to end. out that deep for me. Pray love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching, feeding. I know you want it, scheming. I know you need it, drug lord. You want it all, you don't I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this? Like it wants you. Know that booty don't do what it wants to. Can't hit it one time, hookable. I know you see this red on me. Now come and get 20, 40, 80, I can trap. Hit it with the rap. Put it on.
This blonde install, she came out tea. It's giving very much bougie Marilyn Monroe. And when I do my red lippy, oh, that's gonna eat. So stay tuned for that video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think and what content you would like to see from me. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next video. Mwah.